Hello everybody, today we will be discussing greenhouse gases, what they are, their sources, and effects. Our group is 4.4. In this video we will be discussing what is the greenhouse effect, the greenhouse gases, some sources of greenhouse gases, and how these greenhouse gases affect our planet. What is the greenhouse effect? So the greenhouse effect is basically the sun emits a wide range of solar radiation. Some of this solar radiation is essential for life to exist. However, certain types of radiation or even long-term exposure to radiation can be damaging and can even cause skin cancer. In order to protect us from this radiation, Earth has an atmosphere, which is basically an envelope of gases that surrounds Earth and keeps us safe from the sun's harmful radiation by reflecting, scattering, and absorbing this radiation. Greenhouse gases are a series of gases that trap the solar radiation and as a result warm Earth's surface. The higher the concentration of these gases, the warmer the Earth becomes. So, what are some typical greenhouse gases? This includes nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and tropospheric ozone. Carbon dioxide is the most commonly known greenhouse gas, which also has a more damaging effect compared to all the other greenhouse gases due to its long lifespan in the atmosphere. So where do these greenhouse gases come from? Some come from natural sources, while others are caused by human activity. Volcanoes are an example of a natural source that releases water vapor into the atmosphere, while agriculture and livestock, more specifically cows and landfill, are an example of human activity that releases large concentrations of methane into the atmosphere. Industry, as well as the combustion of fossil fuels, are responsible for the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So how do these gases affect our planet? As you can see through the following graphs, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane are all examples of greenhouse gases. Since the beginning of about 1980, you can see that there is a consistent increase in the concentration of all of these greenhouse gases. Some negative effects of greenhouse gases includes global warming and more extreme weather patterns. So, although we do need to reduce the emissions of greenhouse gases in order to maintain a healthy surface temperature, we do need to maintain a minimum level of greenhouse gases. So the atmosphere is composed of multiple layers, as shown in the diagram here. It has the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and exosphere. The stratosphere is the layer of Earth's atmosphere that contains the ozone layer. The ozone in the stratosphere is important because it keeps a lot of the harmful UV radiation from entering Earth. However, ozone in the troposphere is negative and is considered a greenhouse gas due to its absorption of solar radiation, resulting in increasing surface temperatures. Without greenhouse gases, the temperature on Earth's surface would be around negative 15 degrees. So it's important that we do have greenhouse gases in order to keep the Earth warm, and so plants and organisms can live on it. And this concludes our segment on greenhouse gases, their sources, and how they impact